friends, thank you for taking the time to stop by. It's Decor Mommy, and I do have some DIYs for you. If you love lemons for your decor and you love the Dollar Tree and you like everything easy on a budget, then this video is just for you. But before we get into it, make sure you're subscribed, that way you don't miss a video. And I'd love to have you and join the family here on YouTube. So I have this little bar area that I got here, and I just wanted to share with you, these are the Dollar Tree placemats, the Dollar Tree bowls, and then I did end up getting the plates as well. And this is how I kind of put it together in the back. And those are the Dollar Tree little mugs. So this is kind of what I got going on here. And I just added some lemons up here. And if you guys remember, that's a little Dollar Tree sign. I came a little closer to show you the little mugs. How cute are those? Just hung them on this little ladder. And that's just a little wreath there, and those are the Dollar Tree plates. I want to make something out of this. So I want to make a little banner, but I want to do a small one because I didn't pick up too many of these. So maybe a little small banner. I'm going to try to cut that to make a little banner with these little placemats. So I went and cut that little piece there. And since it's two, I think I'm going to have to glue it on the back, but I'm not sure yet. Okay, so this is how they turned out, but I just wanted to let you know, if you cut them from the top that's already sewn, it's a lot better for you. That way you don't have to glue them together. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be very honest with you, my scissors are not that good, so please invest in some good scissors, not like me. And this is where I'm at with this. I got that twine and I'm still doing that banner, cutting that placemat from the Dollar Tree. So I wanted to show you that you could also put these placemats on these little bends from the Dollar Tree. I think they look so cute. Just gives your kitchen or whatever your storage a different look for the summer. So that's kind of how I did that one. And you can add some twine around the handles if that's your style. This is where I'm at the moment. I put a little twine around the bucket and I'm putting some around the handle. So guys, I have another one of these, and there's so many things you could do with these guys. Like, I just have so many ideas, but what I want to do is make a little pillow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pull the thread here like I've been doing with this X-Acto knife, and I have some old pillows that I'm just gonna stuff them with. They're easy, I mean, and you don't even need to sew. I'm just gonna glue it back together. So this is how I opened it up so far, and I will be putting some of the pillow in there, the stuffing from it. Guys, look how adorable it's looking. And it only cost me $1 because I had already the pillow, and I think it's so cute. I went to try and buy some lemon decor, guys, and I could not find any, so I figured I'm just gonna make my own Look how adorable. And I'm just gonna end up gluing the side of it. Okay friends, so I wanted to show you my little banner that I made from the Dollar Tree. And I just went ahead and put it here for the moment just to see what it looks like. And I think it turned out really cute, but I have other plans for it. Okay friends, it looks like we have a little summer party here. I went ahead and put the little banner up here. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it just yet, but I just wanted to show you different ideas for it. I did put this little pillow right now here, and this is just a little bit of the decor. So I went ahead and put the same mat in this little picture frame. I think it's so cute. Not sure if I'm gonna add this to it, so I could go with my decor. It's up to you. You could just leave this the way it is, or you could add a little bow to it, whatever your style is. I made this little bin, and I also made a little picture frame here. I think this would look so cute in your little sink area. And I wanted to share, I found this at Hobby Lobby, but I'm so thinking you can so make this from Dollar Tree things. And so I have one bin. I'm probably gonna add more of the bins. So I have one bin, the picture frame, the little banner, and then the pillow. So those are 4 easy little DIYs that you could add to your home for decor. I easily went ahead and put it over on my hutch just to show you it looks just as cute over here on my hutch. The little frame, the little pillow, you could put that in a little basket, and then the banner. But I went ahead and added some Dollar Tree finds that I found, which are the plates and the bowls and the little cups. And this is the little basket that I made. And I think it looks so cute as well. So that's kind of how it is on the hutch, or if you want it the other way, either way, it's just so cute to me. So I wanted to show you that you don't have to do buckets just like that. It is so easy to just put this in a little basket, either like a little basket like this, or so simple to just, you don't even have to glue anything for your like little pantry area, kitchen area. That's all you gotta do, because you're gonna see it just like that. So you could put something like this, whichever one you prefer. It's just per se for some snacks. This is how your basket would look. I think it would look really cute to put with your decor over here, and put it over here. So what I did is add glasses from the Dollar Tree, and I went ahead and added the basket, and this looks like it's just like a little liner, which I think it looks really cute as well. I think it would be such a cute little picnic basket as well. If you want to do like a lemon theme, I just put the little mat in there, the table mat. You could put plants in it. You could put your little storage in it. I think I'm gonna find like a Dollar Tree basket. I'm gonna see if I have a Dollar Tree basket. That way if you wanna add it to a Dollar Tree basket. Again, look how cute with the little white basket. What if you were to use this in your laundry room? Instead of like for a little hutch or pantry, you could use this in your laundry room. Why don't I try that? This is how like a basket would look in a laundry room. This little bucket that I made with the twine on there, I think it would be so cute if you put a little planter like I did on there. And that was a little free printable. I think it would look cute as well on your decor. It's a Dollar Tree little bucket. So you could use the placemat as a liner in there as well. I think that looks just as cute in there. For some storage.